Hiya. Right, to let you know what we're going to talk about today, I'm going to give you a clue. Have a look at this picture and tell me what you think it is. That's right, it's our moon. Yeah. So what we're actually going to talk about today is impact craters, because you can see these really well on the moon, can't you? You can see all the dark spots. Yeah. So basically, going through space, you've got asteroids and meteorites traveling at many thousand miles per hour, and they bash into the planets and our moon, right? So you can see, if you have a look at this picture here, this is a close-up of one of the craters on the moon. Right, so you can see really clearly on that where something's bashed into the moon and left a big dent, can't you? Yeah. But there's actually some on our planet that you can see, but not as well. So this is the first one. This one is in Arizona in America. Have a look at this one. Right, and then here's another one that's actually in South Africa on our planet. Have a look at this. Right, so what we're going to talk about is why can't we see them as well on Earth as we can on the moon? Because actually on the moon there are many thousands of these impact craters, whereas on Earth there's only 180 that we know of. So why? What's the difference? If our planet is big, it's bigger than the moon, isn't it? So technically it should have been hit more times than the moon. So why can't we see them as well? Well, the first reason and the main reason is erosion. So the thing with erosion is, on our planet, we've got an atmosphere. So we've got weather, we've got water, and we've got plants. And all these things together can erode away the edges of these craters and kind of smudge them out over time. So on the moon, it hasn't really got an atmosphere. It's got a really thin one called an exosphere, but there's no wind and there's no water and no plants. So the craters end up staying there for you to see. The second reason on our planet that they get wiped away a lot is tectonics. And tectonics is basically the process where our Earth makes new rocks and moves old rocks and moves them around and recycles them, so that a lot of the rocks on our Earth surface are not as old as the ones on the moon. So that again will change the craters on the Earth. The third one is volcanoes. So basically, we've got volcanoes on our Earth, haven't we? And when the volcanoes flow out, they fill in the craters and things like that, whereas the moon hasn't had volcanic action for over 3 billion years. So some of the earlier impact craters will have been wiped out on the moon from the volcanic action. But for 3 billion years, all the impact craters are still there for you to see, whereas our planet fills them in. So basically, there you go. You can see why we can see all the craters on the moon so well and on our planet that they're kind of hidden. They did happen, but they've been smudged away by our super clever planet. Okay, so there's your video for today. I hope you enjoyed that. As always, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.